Hey guys, today I'm going to cook some sausage with potatoes and carrots in a slow cooker. So let's get crocking. This will be pretty simple. The hardest part's cutting everything up. I have like 5 russet potatoes here, 5 or 6 carrots, and then some Portuguese Linguica Sausage. I have a stick of this. I made this the other night and it turned out good. So if you haven't seen Portuguese Linguica Sausage before, that's what it looks. It's what it looks like. It's already cooked, so that'll just give it flavor. So I'm going to cut this up and take it out of the casing and just crumble it in there with the potatoes and carrots, and then add some water and season it up and be ready to go. I cut my potatoes and carrots into bite-sized pieces and I left the skin on. And then linguiça I cut in half, that way I can pull the casing off like this. And I'm just crumbling it into like small bite-sized pieces. Now we need some liquid, so I'm adding 4 cups of water. And it looks about right. And I'm going to add some onion powder. Or you could cut up an onion if you wanted to, but I'm just going to dump in some onion powder here. I like onion powder, so put a bunch of that in there. And then some Johnny's seasoned pepper. This has onion in it too, but besides pepper, it has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion. That's good for now. I might have to add more at the end. A lot of times at the end I taste it and add more seasoning if it needs it. And some kosher salt, a little bit of kosher salt there. Now I'll get this all mixed together and we'll get the lid on. I'm going to cook this on high and I'll let you guys know how long it takes. If you cook it on low, it usually takes about twice as long. It's been 3 hours and this smells super good, so let's take a look. As long as these potatoes and carrots are soft, we're good. Like I said, the sausage is already cooked, so yeah, that feels good. I'm going to let it cool down a little bit and then we'll try it out. I put a little bit in the bowl and let it cool off a little bit here. Got a nice piece of linguiça right there on top. Some potatoes, carrot. Let's try that out. I like it. I never thought to make soup with linguiça before, but the other day I had all these potatoes and carrots and it was the only meat I had, so thought I'd give it a try. I guess we'll let Annie try it out. Want a carrot, Annie? Eat your vegetables first. Oh, you ate that. Now you want a chunk of linguiça? There you go. Boy, want a tater too? Here you go. Well, she likes all of it. I guess you could use other types of sausage for that if you can't find linguiça or you don't like it, but sausage is a little cheaper than some of the other types of meat lately. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.